change it, I like I ain't know.
Good day everyone. Today I'll be sharing you my learnings about pilot ladder or rigging on a pilot ladder. And I will put some pictures so you can familiarize what it looks like. And what is pilot ladder? Pilot ladder is a special type of rope ladder that's used for onboard ship for embarkation and disembarkation of our pilots. So for our safety precautions, we need to wear our PPE, and the most important is the safety harness so we cannot fall while preparing or rigging our pilot ladder. And of course, the pilot ladder should be in a good condition and attached on deck and not to the railing, and the pilot ladder should be level against the hull and without obstacles or lines in loops, and safe to get on and off. For our rigging or preparing our pilot ladder, the pilot ladder should be capable covering the whole length from the point of access of the water level, and the height from the water level is informed to the bridge by the port control or pilot himself depending on the height of the pilot vessel. And the top portion or head of the pilot ladder should be secured at the strongest point of the vessel, and the pilot ladder should position and secured so that is clear of any discharges from the ships. And all steps of the pilot ladder should be braced firmly against the ship side, and in certain ships where constructional features such as fenders or rubbing band prevent the implementation of above safety features, special arrangements are to be made for safe embarkation and disembarkation of our pilot. And also the two-man ropes to be between 28 mm and 32 mm in diameter and made of Manila rope or other material which gives firm grip for climbing the ladder should be rigged along the side of the pilot ladder. And during night, the whole length of the pilot ladder, point access and egress should be well illuminated. And a light buoy with self-igniting light and a heaving light should be kept ready, and handhold stanchions and bulwark ladder. If the pilot access from the sea level is more than 9 meters, a combination ladder should be used. A combination ladder is a conjunction of pilot ladder and accommodation ladder. This common arrangement found on a vessel with high freeboard, and the accommodation ladder is a rig in such a way that leads half of the vessel and has a slope angle of not more than 45 degrees. For maintenance or checking the pilot ladder should be regularly inspected from the side of the rope, missing wedges, and damage on the steps. The steps should never be painted and should keep clean and then free from oil and grease. And all the steps should be equally spaced between the side of the ropes, and then the steps should be always horizontal, and any faulty steps found should be replaced immediately. And also the rope continuously and free from ties and joints below the first step on the pilot ladder, and also the shackle used to secure the pilot ladder should have equal strength and durability, same as that of side rope use. Once the pilotage operation is over, the pilot ladder should be secured instead of left hanging on the ship side, and the pilot ladder should be stored in dry and well ventilated space, clear of the deck, and fitted with a cover to prevent the ladder from sunlight, chemical, and paint spills. And also the pilot ladder are solely used for the purpose of embarkation and disembarkation of our personnel. It should never be used for any other purpose like drought reading or any maintenance of work. Before using the pilot ladder, there must be an actions to be taken by the officers of the watch. First, collect the necessary information like VHF channel used by the pilot, position of pilot ground, and other services. Vessel traffic services or VTS of the particular area also provide such informations. Second, maintain watch on VHF channel, which is used by the pilot. This is mostly dedicated channel, different from the channels used by the port control and vessel traffic sim. Third, calculate the ETA or estimated time of arrival to the pilot ground, and observe prevailing weather condition and sea state, and the same has to be reported to the master. Fourth, contact the pilot on VHF channel and give information such as ETA to the pilot ground, drought and freeboard of the vessel and the length of the vessel, type of propeller, vessel current speed over ground. Fifth, ask and receive information, the side of the pilot ladder to be rigged and the height of the pilot ladder from water level, the speed and course to be maintained, and report all the data received to the master. And lastly, monitor the pilot vessel, maintain proper communication between the pilot vessel and own ship. Remember that during pilot transfer, using a ladder, a person's life is directly at stake and chance of accidents. So the officers and crew who are involved with the process should be consider all the safety precautions for the safety of our pilots. So that's it, and hope you like what I shared, and if you find difficult, you can rewatch the video so you can catch up again, and see you on my next video.
Bitches change, yeah, I like I ain't noticed.